Good morning, students. Now we are discussing exercise 6.2, chapter 6, class 10th, maths NCERT. 1 to question number 7 we are discussed already in previous lecture, and now question number 8. And what question number 8 is using theorem 6.2. That 6.2 theorem is the converse of basic proportionality theorem, and prove that the line joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side. Using theorem 6.2, prove that the line joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Given that a triangle ABC, this triangle ABC is given, D and E are the midpoints of sides AB and AC. Then prove that this line parallel to this. Given a triangle ABC, D and E are the midpoints of sides AB and AC respectively. Then to prove क्या करना है हमें? That means this side parallel to this. Then DE parallel to BC. Okay, and proof. We know that this AD and DB both are equal because D is the midpoint. We know that D is the midpoint of side AB, so AD is equal to DB, and we know that this AD upon DB is equal to 1 upon 1. Why this AD upon DB is equal to 1 upon 1? Because AD is equal to DB, and AD DB को हम replace कर सकते हैं AD में. This cancel out to this, then number is 1, then 1 by 1. This equation 1. Similarly, E is also the midpoint of side AC. So what AE upon EC is equal to 1 upon 1. This equation second. अब ये जो साइड्स की रेशियो है AD upon DB, AE upon EC, both are the ratio of the sides of this triangle, and we know that in triangle ABC, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC by using equation 1 and 2. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन और सेकंड इक्वेशन से हमने क्या लिया? बोथ आर राइट हैंड साइड्स आर इक्वल, देन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड आल्सो इक्वल, देन कंपेयरिंग बोथ equations, then AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. In triangle this, the ratio of both sides are equal, then by converse of basic proportionality theorem, this DE, by converse of basic proportionality theorem, DE parallel to BC. What is the converse of basic proportionality theorem? If ratio of the both sides are equal, then third side is parallel to this. Then using converse of basic proportionality theorem. And question number 9. Question 9. ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC. This ABCD is a trapezium. A, B, C and D is a trapezium, and its diagonal intersect each other at point O. The diagonal AC and diagonal DB or BD intersect at point O. And then show that this AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. Question number 9. Given ABCD is a trapezium. We know that what is the trapezium? The one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Then AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC. Both sides are parallel. Then to prove what AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. We can prove that this sides AO upon BO, CO upon DO. Yes, this triangle ADC जो हमारे पास एक ट्राइंगल दिखाई दे रही है, इसमें हम कुछ कर सकते हैं, बट हमें पहले एक कंस्ट्रक्शन करनी पड़ेगी. Given that the construction करेंगे पहले. Draw a line EO parallel to AB and parallel to CD DC. आपने एक EO लाइन ड्रा की. दिस EO लाइन ये पैरेलल होगी AB के भी और ये पैरेलल होगी CD के भी. Why AB and parallel? AB parallel to EO और AE parallel to AB parallel to EO and EO parallel to DC, because AB parallel to DC. And then by construction this proof. In triangle ADC and EO parallel to DC. In triangle ADC and EO parallel to DC by construction, by using basic proportionality theorem, AE upon ED is equal to AO upon CO. This AE upon ED, AO upon OC or CO. You can write this by using basic proportionality theorem. This equation 1. And then in triangle DAB, इस ट्रायंगल में देखें DAB, this EO parallel to AB, by construction, then we can write this DE upon EA and DO upon OB. Then what? DE upon DE और ED, क्योंकि हमने पहले ED लिखा हुआ है तो आप इसको ED लिख सकते हैं. ED upon AE is equal to what? This DO upon BO. DO upon BO by using basic proportionality theorem. And in both this equation, second नहीं कह सकते because this and this both are not equal. Taking their reciprocal, AE upon ED is equal to BO upon DO. This equation second. इसका हमने reciprocal ले लिया, this AE upon ED and BO upon DO. From equation 1 and 2 we get right hand side of both are equal. From equation 1 and 2 we get what? AE upon ED both are left hand side equal, then right hand side are also equal. AO upon CO is equal to BO upon DO. बट आप देखेंगे कि अभी जो हमें प्रूव करना था वो तो हमारा आया ही नहीं. Then we can write this form because this cross multiply are also equal. Then interchange both the ratios, this CO and BO interchange कर देंगे. Then AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. This ratio and this ratio both are equal. Then we can write this is equal to this. And then in question number 10, the diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O such that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. The figure is the same of this question and given this ABCD is not a trapezium, ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral and intersect the point at O, diagonal intersect at point O such that this AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO is given that this parallel is not given. ABCD is a quadrilateral and this AC and BD are the diagonal which intersect at point O. Then AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO is given. And then prove that. अब हमें प्रूव क्या करना है? प्रूव करना है अब हमें टू प्रूव हमें करना है कि जो क्वाड्रिलेटरल दे रखा है वो ट्रेपीजियम है। ए बी सी डी इज अ ट्रेपीजियम and we know that what is trapezium, the one pair of opposite sides are parallel, then AB parallel to CD। आप ये भी लिख सकते हैं कि हमें क्या प्रूव करना है कि AB parallel to CD प्रूव करना है। अगर AB parallel to CD हमने प्रूव कर दिया then ABCD is a trapezium। then given that this, ये हमारे पास given है, इसको हम थोड़ा सा चेंज करते हैं प्रूफ। पहले हम कंस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे। कंस्ट्रक्शन इज व्हाट, एक लाइन को अभी हम पैरेलल ड्रा करेंगे। किसके पैरेलल ड्रा करेंगे? दिस लाइन पैरेलल टू सी डी सी, ई ओ पैरेलल टू दिस, ई ओ पैरेलल टू डी सी। ड्रा EO parallel to DC. Proof. Given that this AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO is given. थोड़ा सा रेशियो को चेंज करेंगे जैसे हमने पिछले क्वेश्चन में किया। दिस इंटरचेंज टू दिस, AO upon CO is equal to BO upon DO, and then in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, EO parallel to DC, EO parallel to DC, then what, this AE upon ED, AE upon ED is equal to what, AO upon OC, AO upon OC, yes, CO, then equation 1. This AO upon CO is equal to AE upon ED. But in this figure, in this AE upon ED किसके इक्वल है? AO upon CO के। लेकिन AO upon CO किसके इक्वल है? BO upon DO के। देखो this we can write this equation 1 and this equation 2. Then what, this AE from 1 and 2 we get this AE upon ED is equal to AO upon CO, and AO upon CO is equal to BO upon DO. Then we can write this AE upon ED is equal to this BO upon DO। देखिए in what, AE upon ED, AE upon ED and this BO upon DO, then taking reciprocal ED, this ED upon EA या AE is equal to DO upon BO इसका रेसिप्रोकल लिया। देन व्हाट, ट्राइंगल DAB, इन ट्राइंगल DAB ED upon AE is equal to DO upon BO, DO upon BO. देखिए DAB, this triangle, in this triangle, this ratio and this ratio are equal. Then both ratio are equal. Then by converse of basic proportionality theorem, this line parallel to AB, EO parallel to AB, yes or no? But EO parallel to DC by construction. So EO parallel to AB parallel to DC, and both AB parallel to DC. So AB parallel to DC, AB parallel to DC. Therefore, ABCD is a what? Trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, thank you. This exercise 6.2 is complete, and then the syllabus of term 1 is also complete. So revise your syllabus, complete, and prepare your exam. Thank you.